Hi guys, welcome back to another video from me and my pets TV. Guys, please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell to be notified each time a video is dropped. We thank you for your love and support. We really appreciate it. Goodbye. Let's get into the video.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So guys, on today's video we have another sad episode, and this time it is due to the loss of this Fischer lovebird. So guys, we came home and we went in the pen to check on them, and we just see that one here fall up in the corner beside the feeding tray looking like this, stone cold. But guys, while it hurts because we get to love our animal, we get attached to them, we have to understand so it's a part of life. It's a cycle of life. Some live, some pass on. So we just glad to look at the time what we did have. Honestly, it was a fresh bird that either we had bought or we had traded out and received that one. And our plan for that bird was to actually put him with another fresh bird so that we can have fresh stock. So cause you know we can have brother and sibling and mate them with it. But anyway, it never work out. Guys, please remember to like, subscribe, turn on your post notification bell to be notified each time my videos drop. Goodbye, adios.